morning all.
Good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning.
Good morning,
Our
ma'am.
English literature class. All of you join quickly. Board is clearly visible.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Now see. Can you see something written on the board?
No, yes, ma'am. No, yes, ma'am.
Beta, make sure when you do the online class, your networks are proper. Okay? Please save your data for online classes. Don't waste your data here and there uselessly, because if data will not be proper, network will not be proper, then you will not be able to study clearly. Okay? Take out your English literature copies, all of you. We are going to do summary of the poem today. Abu Ben Edim summary we are going to do today.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. English literature book and copy, blue pen and black pen. Put today's date, 4th August. Then put heading Abu Ben Edim summary with black pen. Do this much quickly. Put heading.
Ma'am, please wait.
The
Ma'am, please
poet
wait for some time.
name
Excuse me,
and
ma'am.
in the bracket write summary.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, what happened?
Where is the contact?
What happened?
Ma'am, I lost the contact. Clearly.
Children, mute your mic. All of you mute your mic. No mic should be on.
Ma'am, I cannot see. Ma'am, I cannot see you.
There must be some problem from your side then.
Ma'am, I cannot see the blackboard. So can you tell me that what is right? What are you writing?
We are doing summary of the poem Abu Ben Adim. Summary.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I can see the board but not full board.
Start writing the summary with blue pen. Those who can't see the board clearly, you listen and then write. Okay? Ready? Shall we start?
Yes, ma'am.
Heading done?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Start. The poet James Leigh Hunt. The poet James Leigh Hunt. James J, Leigh L and Hunt H will be capital. The poet James Leigh Hunt tells us. The poet James Leigh Hunt tells us about Abu Ben Adim. About Abu Ben Adim. Full stop. Make sure your cameras are on, all of you. The poet James Leigh Hunt tells us about Abu Ben Adim. Till here done? Full stop. Then a humble and virtuous man. A humble and virtuous virtuous. A humble and virtuous man. A humble and virtuous man.
Ma'am, please tell again the spelling of virtuous.
Virtuous. VIROU. Look here. It is written here. VIRTUOUS. On the board it is already written. A humble and virtuous man. Full stop. One night Abu woke up. One night Abu woke up. One night Abu woke up from a dream. One night Abu woke up from a dream. And saw. One night Abu woke up from a dream and saw a bright light. A bright light. A bright light in the room. In the room. One night, Abu woke up from a dream and saw a bright light in the room. Full stop. He saw an angel. He saw an angel. What will be the spelling of angel?
Ma'am, A-N-G-E-L.
Angel. Correct. He saw an angel writing in the golden book. He saw an angel writing in the golden book. Full stop. He saw an angel writing in the golden book. Full stop. Abu asked the angel. Abu asked the angel. Abu asked the angel what he was writing. Abu asked the angel what he was writing. Question mark. Put question mark. Abu asked the angel what he was writing. After it, put question mark. Here question mark is there. Abu asked angel what he was writing. The angel replied. The angel replied. The angel replied. Allah karge beta, you have joined late just now. Why Allah karge? I have not written anything till now.
Yes, ma'am.
What happened? Abu asked the angel what he was writing. The angel replied that he was writing the names. The angel replied that he was writing the names. The angel replied that he was writing the names of the people The angel replied that he was writing the names of the people who love God. Who love God. Full stop. The angel replied that he was writing the names of the people who love God. Full stop. Abu asked the angel. Abu asked the angel if his name, Abu asked the angel if his name, was there in the list. Was there in the list. Abu asked the angel if his name was there in the list. Done? The angel replied. The angel replied that it wasn't. The angel replied that it wasn't. The angel replied that it wasn't. Full stop. Abu then told the angel. Abu then told the angel to write his name. Abu then told the angel to write his name as the person. Abu then told the angel to write his name as the person who love his fellow men. Who love his fellow men. Fellow, fellow, men, men, fellow men. Full stop. The next night. Huh? What happened?
Ma'am, please repeat the spelling of fellow men.
From fellow men. The angel replied that it wasn't. Abu then told the angel to write his name as the person who loved his fellow men. Full stop. The next night. The next night. The next night. The angel came again. The next night, the angel came again. The next night, the angel came again in a blaze of light. In a blaze, B-L-A-Z-E, blaze of light, L-I-G-H-T, light. In a blaze of light. And
Ma'am, please repeat the spelling of blaze.
B-L-A-Z-E, blaze. The next night, the angel came again in a blaze of light and showed Apu and showed Apu the names of those and showed Apu the names of those whom God has blessed. Whom God has blessed. God G will always be capital. Whom God has blessed. Full stop. Abu was very delighted. Abu was very delighted. Abu was very delighted. D-E-L-I-G-H-T-E-D, delighted to see his name,
Ma'am, please repeat the spelling of delighted.
D-E-L-I-G-H-T-E-D. D-E-L-I-G-H-T-E-D. Abu was very delighted to see his name on the top of all the others. To see his name on the top of all the others. Alak arg hai, why both of you are not writing, beta?
Ma'am, we have left the work. Ma'am, we have joined later.
So what's the problem? What is the problem? It is written on the board. Summary is written on the board.
Ma'am, it's very zoom.
What happened?
Ma'am, it's very zoom. I can't see some words.
Okay. Abu was very delighted to see his name on the top of all the others. Full stop. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright then. If any child has missed out anything from the summary, I am going to give you the video also and I am going to give you the PDF also. You can do it from there. Alright?
Ma'am, done.
Complete the work and then be ready for the next class.
Bye, ma'am. Have a